Hey, boo, hey, I'm so excited to share this with you today. Okay, so I have a friend. Her name is Lib. She's incredible. And I happened to run across one of her videos today while I was scrolling. That's my scrolling motion on YouTube, right? And it was so good. She just started a new series. It's so cool and so good. I was like, oh, I need to share this with you. And then I was like, I got some more girlies I need to share with you. So I'm going to share with you some of my friends who I watch on a regular basis on YouTube, who I learn from, who I'm entertained by. And a lot of them are doing the 100-day challenge, posting every day challenge with me. And so, yeah, let's jump into it. Okay. Doo-doo-doo. Okay. Excuse all the tabs. It's gonna be okay. So this is Liv. Oh my gosh. I've known her for years. We were Facebook friends, but then we've worked together. We've met in a couple different countries. I love her down. She's incredible. And she has evolved in so many ways. And I just love it. I'm here for it. And so she has good videos that she puts out, interesting stuff about finances and making side income, great stuff to learn from. And then in her shorts, which I love, she just started a new series. So there's 3 episodes so far, or yeah, 3 episodes in her series about it's called the Still Growing Up series, right? So she's almost 50, but she's like, I'm still growing up. And she has areas of her life that she wants to improve on. And just the way she edits the videos, the content in the video, she's funny and like she shares some real good tips in each video. And friend, you won't be disappointed if you follow her and check out her videos on a regular basis. Okay. Like I even want to do the Still Growing Up series, right? Not make the videos, but I want to do the things to improve the areas of my life too. So love, love, love her content. Lib is that girl. Okay, so then next is Glow. Now, this is the infamous Glow I've told you about. She is the one who got me on this posting every day on YouTube journey. And let me tell you, Glow will bully you into believing in yourself. Okay. She is that type of girly. She's a business mentor. I have known her for 15 plus years. We were Facebook friends for the longest time. And then I finally got to meet her in person last year. And when I went to Mastermind in Thailand, and she's inspiring, she's encouraging, she is ever evolving. And over those 15 plus years, I've seen her online evolve from so many magnificent areas. She was a photographer and then a world traveler and then doing all these partnerships with brands. And now she's a business mentor. She even shared her love relationship and how that unfolded. And what I can say is through every iteration of Glow, she is a master at what she does for sure. And so I guarantee that she has plenty of videos you'll learn from and actually have concrete steps to take, but also she will inspire you. So yes, definitely check out Glow stuff. And here is nope on her playlist. You'll see daily YouTube videos with Glow. She has 222 videos, right? So she has been doing this daily for real. No lie. Okay, so then next is Amy. This is my girl Amy. She was part of the mastermind when I went to Thailand. She is a blueprint breaker. She is redefining her life and her later years, and she is incredible. Completely love her. Follow Amy for sure. Subscribe, right? I'm saying follow, but subscribe to Amy's channel. This is Brandy, another one of my Thailand my another one of my Thailand mastermind girlies. And Brandy, her Raven, calm down so that you can speak at the level that you're thinking. 'Cause I'm thinking so fast and my words aren't coming out fast enough. Brandy has the energy of the sun. She's so much fun to be around and she's so awesome. And she'll share daily different vlogs, but she also does the runaway reset where for moms and married women who like they want to get away, they want to take their first solo trip, but they've been scared, but she's going to show you how to do it. So definitely check out her channel as well. Oh, and Amy does a grown-up gap year, teaching you how to take a gap year as a grown-up, which is so cute, right? So check out her stuff as well. Okay, then we have Nicole. I haven't met her in person yet. My friend actually met her in Bali recently and just told me how much she is a a beautiful ball of light. And I'm like, I totally get that through her videos on YouTube. I've only watched her videos, but she is in the same mastermind with me that I'm in for Glow. And so I've seen her online and she is just a ball of light. She moved to Bali and she talks about her life in that process. And she shares so many things about how she beat cancer and burnout and how she's just living life now, creating her life on her terms, right? So check out Nicole's um channel for sure. And then Brienne, okay, so Brienne, Brie, when I tell you, I see her shorts all the time. Her and her husband, they are they are hilarious. They keep me laughing. I see her because I be on the YouTube shorts all the time, and they come through and they just have me laughing. So definitely, if you need a laugh today, go through the shorts and check out the shorts with her and her husband. They are funny, guaranteed to make you laugh. And then Brie also created she Bree's in the mastermind too with me with Glow, and she's doing her daily videos. Go Bree, go Bree, go Bree. But she also did a video just like I did my video yesterday. She did a video about Eric Dane's famous last words, and it impacted her too, right? We both over here crying on the internet. But yeah, Bree is amazing. Check her out. Let's see. Oh, yes. Yes, yes, yes. Andy's in the house. Another one of my Glow's mastermind mates. Love Andy. Her videos, listen, she got on this internet like, oh, I'm gonna post daily. And she has been rocking it from day one. Her videos have been so on point, so well done. Just like the background's beautiful, the way she presents is beautiful. And she really shares her experiences about, being a world traveler and just how, and what's so crazy about it, I want to say, Andy, you have 5 kids, right? I think she has 5 kids and they live overseas. She's from America, but they moved over to France. I want to say, Andy, please correct me if I'm wrong. But anyway, Andy is interesting. Her and her family are interesting. Check out her page. It's some interesting stuff there. Like she got Portugal, Netherlands, Bulgaria. She talks about Europe and then she talks about life. So check her out for sure. And then we have Tabitha. Oh my gosh, Tabitha. Tabitha's on her post an everyday journey as well. But she did get into what she tells you on her channel. She got into, where is it at? Oh, where is it at? Lucky to be alive. Okay, you see this car? She was in a car accident and it has been messing with her brain. And she posted a bunch of videos, but then she had to take a break and step away. And now she's back. So subscribe to her, get on her radar. Like every video makes you think. Whenever I type into her video, I'm just like, girl, you can't be having me think every day. I'm trying to implement the things you had me thinking about yesterday. I can't be thinking of new things today. But she's really great about her whole channel's about being a noob in entrepreneurship, so a newbie in entrepreneurship, and she just shares the lessons that she's learned. And she I love her banner right here, and she starts her videos like that: a hot mess builds an empire, right? Because she's like, I don't know everything, but I'm just going to share with you what I know. And her words of wisdom, they are deep hitting. So check out Tabitha for sure. Love her. And then lastly, Zaylee is Glow's friend, and I saw Zaylee on one of Glow's videos, and I started tapping in. Now I haven't met Zaylee yet, but I want to, and she's incredible. And she's been in the game 10 plus years, I want to say, of teaching people how to show up on video. And her stuff is just so beautifully done. She has her regular videos teaching you stuff about cameras, as you can see, which cameras to use and the best way to like set things up. She also does a lot of lives. Check out her lives. A lot of good stuff there. And she also does shorts. So she's hitting all the bases, right? Because she ain't new to this, she true to this. And she is growing rapidly. So check out her stuff if you have any interest of doing videos daily, check out her stuff. She's going to tell you how to get confident on camera and how to show up. And then also you can check out Glow's if you want to monetize, right? Being on YouTube or any platform. Well, yeah, YouTube, because that's what the masterclass is about. Glow has a masterclass about making your first 10,000 on YouTube. So check that out for sure. And that is it. I just wanted to share some of my girlies with you. I tap into their videos on a regular basis, and I'm being entertained, especially Brie and her husband. They crack me up so much, but I'm being entertained. I'm learning some things. I'm growing. I'm getting better at showing up here on YouTube and talking to you. And so, yeah, I just want to share the wealth, share the blessings, okay? And yeah, I hope you check some. If you check any one of my girlies out, please let me know, okay? So we can talk about them in a good way, of course. And I will talk to you later, babe. Ciao.